Me say, treading through the Gideon, with your light on my shoulder. Can I feel tall like the mountain, but the spirit taller. Rastafari guide my steps, always well. Yeah, me a rush through the Canefield, breeze a kiss me skin. Night cool and the moonlight gently glistening. Babylon they search but them can't find me within. Me spirit there as I am, me keep it disciplined. Every star tell a story of the ancient days. Truth hide deep like a lion in a cave. Me walk with courage, me never walk with fear. Father dep on my right side ever near. Rushing through the Canefield, Jah guide the way. Treading through the darkness till the break of day. Even when the world cold, my spirit stay real. Rasta man rise strong in a the Canefield. Rushing through the Canefield, Jah guide the way. Treading through the darkness till the break of day. Even when the world cold, my spirit stay real. Rasta man rise strong in a the Canefield. Canefield a whisper, youth hold the faith. Life tough but your timing always great. Pressure build up like rain cloud wait. But me nah bow down, me elevate. Me see the struggle, but the struggle build my mind. Hard times shape the heart, refine and align. Me push through the tall grass, destiny me find. Wisdom grow natural, like the roots intertwine. Rushing through the Canefield, Jah guide the way. Treading through the darkness till the break of day. Even when the world cold, my spirit stay real. Rasta man rise strong in a the Canefield. Rushing through the Canefield, Jah guide the way. Treading through the darkness till the break of day. Even when the world cold, my spirit stay real. Rasta man rise strong in a the Canefield. We say Jah, show me the sign. The breeze blows soft, stay strong you time. Babylon a chase me from behind. Stand firm, foundation divine. What about the trials where me find? Every test make your soul me find. So me chant down fear, chant down pain. Treading through the hardship like tropical rain. Me know say tomorrow I feel rise again. So me sing Rastafari like a healing flame. Me keep the meditation pure and clean. Even when the path rocky and mean. For Jah love strong like a king unseen. Still ruling every heart like a evergreen. Rushing through the Canefield, Jah guide me home. Through the trials and the traps where the wicked them roam. Even when me weary, me spirit nah heal. Rasta man warrior in a the Canefield. Rushing through the Canefield, me destiny real. Nothing Babylon do coulda break me seal. Jah light over darkness forever reveal. Me rise like a lion in a the Canefield. Yeah, Rastafari live. Canefield trod, spirit strong. Jah light forever on. Sila. Rushing through the Canefield, full song. Me say, treading through the Gideon, with your light on my shoulder. Can I feel tall like the mountain, but the spirit taller. Rastafari guide my steps always. Always. Me a rush through the Canefield, breeze a kiss my skin. Night cool and the moonlight gently glistening. Babylon they search but them can't find me within. My spirit they a Zion, me keep it disciplined. Every star tell a story of the ancient days. Truth I deep like a lion in a cave. Me walk with courage, me never walk with fear. For Jah dep on my right side, ever near. Rushing through the Canefield, Jah guide the way. Treading through the darkness till the break of day. Even when the world cold, my spirit stay real. Rasta man rise strong in a the Canefield. In a the Canefield. Canefield and whisper, you told the faith. Life tough, but your timing always great. Pressure build up like rain cloud wait. But me nah bow down, me elevate. Me see the struggle, but the struggle build my mind. Hard time shape the heart, refine and align. Me push through the tall grass, destiny me find. Wisdom grow natural like the roots intertwine. Rushing through the Canefield, Jah guide the way. Trotting through the darkness till the break of day. Even when the world cold, me spirit stay real. Rasta man rise strong in a the Canefield. Just show me the sign. The breeze blows up. Stay strong, you time. Babylon not chase me from behind. Stand firm, foundation divine. What about the trials when me find? Every test make your soul refine. So me chant down fear, chant down pain. Treading through the hardship like tropical rain. Me know say tomorrow I have to rise again. So me sing Rastafari like a healing flame. Me keep the meditation clear and clean. Even when the path rocky and mean. For Jah love strong like a king unseen. Still ruling every heart like a evergreen. Rushing through the Canefield, Jah guide me home. Through the trials and the traps where the wicked them roam. Even when me weary, my spirit now yield. Rasta man warrior in a the Canefield. Rushing through the Canefield, my destiny real. Nothing Babylon do coulda break me seal. Jah light over darkness forever reveal. Me rise like a lion in a the Canefield. Yeah, Rastafari live. Canefield trod. Spirit strong. Jah light forever on. Silla. Yeah, 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 yeah. Me say, treading through the Gideon with your light on me shoulder. Canefield tall like the mountain, but the spirit taller. Rastafari guide the steps always. Hey. Me a rush to the Canefield, breeze a kiss me skin. Night cool and the moonlight gently glistening. Babylon they search but them can't find me within. Me spirit they a Zion, me keep it disciplined. Every star tell a story of the ancient days. Truth I deep like a lion in cave. Me walk with courage, never walk with fear. For Jah dey on my right side every year. Rushing through the Canefield, Jah guide the way. Treading through the darkness till the break of day. Even when the world cold, my spirit stay real. Rasta man rise strong in a the Canefield. In a the Canefield. Hey. In a the Canefield. Canefield a whisper, youth hold the faith. Life tough but your timing always great. Pressure build up like rain cloud wait. But me nah bow down, me elevate. Me see the struggle, but the struggle build me mind. Hard time shape the art, refine and align. Me push through the tall grass, destiny me find. Wisdom grow natural, like the roots in the ground. Rushing through the Canefield, Jah guide the way. Treading through the darkness till the break of day. Even when the world cold, the spirit stay real. Rasta man rise strong in a the Canefield.
strong youth time. Babylon a chase me from behind. Strong from foundation divine. What about the trials when me find? Every test make your soul refine. So me chant down fear, chant down pain. Treading through the hardship like tropical rain. Me know say tomorrow I feel rise again. So me sing Rastafari like a healing flame. Me keep the meditation pure and clean, even when the path rocky and mean. But your love strong like a king unseen, still ruling every heart like a evergreen. Rushing through the Canefield, Jah guide me home through the trials and the traps where the wicked them roam. Even when me weary, me spirit now yield. Rasta man warrior in a the Canefield. Rushing through the Canefield, me destiny real. Nothing Babylon